Hello, and welcome to the course, Smarter Web Apps with Azure ML and Cognitive Services, authored by Manoj Agrawal. My name is Evan, and I will be the presenter for this course. In general, when users want to log into your web app, he or she has to enter the username and password and then click a button. And if the user wants to proceed with another action, that action also most probably needs to be triggered with a click, tap, or some sort of typing text. The truth, however, is that users want these applications to provide a suitable, optimized, and tailored experience, which is customized to their needs, desires, and experiences without having to put much effort into it. It may seem unimaginable, but with advancement in artificial intelligence, big data, and machine learning, all these imaginations are possible. And Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services is a frontrunner in these technologies. Cognitive Services has a set of APIs that allows developers to add AI to their applications, bots, and websites. Manoj is an entrepreneur, investor, and a technology enthusiast. He likes to work on hard problems and get his hands dirty with cutting-edge technologies like DevOps, AWS, Java, Elasticsearch, and many more. In the last few years, he has been a business owner, technical architect, CTO, coder, startup consultant, and more. He has been in the software industry since 1997. This course has been designed and prepared for you by Tetra Noodle Technologies in collaboration with Pact. Tetra Noodle Technologies is a consulting company based in Vancouver, Canada. We have been in the software business for more than 20 years. We have gained tremendous insight into what makes for scalable, flexible, and strong software solutions, and we are passionate to share our knowledge with you. This course will teach you some hands-on skills to make your web application smarter using Azure ML and Cognitive Services provided by Microsoft. This course is divided into 5 sections. In the first section, you will get a detailed overview of Azure Cognitive Services and toolkits. Then, you will learn how to make your web apps smarter by integrating Cognitive Service and use Knowledge API to detect anomalies. In the next section, we will take a deep dive into Azure ML Studio and build, test, and deploy predictive analytics solutions on Azure and integrated the same with your web app. Third section will help you to make your application understand natural language using Lewis API. In fourth section, we will learn about Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit Face API to easily detect human faces and use that for face verification, added layer of security for the application. In the final section, you will learn various use cases of web scraping and how you can bring the open data by search billions of web pages, images, videos, and news with a single Bing Web Search API call. This course is for developers and architects who are interested in building smarter web apps using Azure ML and Cognitive Services on the Azure cloud. You will be required to have some knowledge of navigating through the Azure portal. Intermediate programming skills of Python and C++ is assumed. So let's get started and make our web apps smarter.